Hi there, good day. Welcome to Camglish.com. I am teacher Karen and we are here for another lesson about grammar. For today, we are going to answer exercises about subject pronouns and object pronouns. For exercise 59.1, we have to complete the sentences with him, her, or them. Again, we have to use the object pronouns him, her, or them. So, for example, number 1, I don't know those girls. Do you know them? So the subject here is those girls, and the object pronoun for those girls is them. So we have to use the object pronoun them. Do you know them? Do you know those girls? There. So that is what you have to do to get everything correctly. So you can pause the video and then after a while I will show you the answers. Are you ready? Here are the answers. For number 2, I don't know that man. Do you know him? So the subject here is the man. So we can use him to replace the word man. So we use him for the man. Do you know him? 3. I don't know those people. Do you know them? The subject here is those people. So we have to use the object pronoun them. So we use them because those people is the subject. And we are talking about many people. So that's why we have to use them. 4. I don't know David's wife. Do you know her? So here the subject is David's wife. Wife, so this is a woman, right? David's wife is a woman. So we have to use the object pronoun her. Do you know her? Do you know David's wife? 5. I don't know Mr. Stevens. Do you know him? So here the subject is Mr. Stevens. So Mr. Stevens is a man. And that is why we use the object pronoun him. Do you know him? Do you know Mr. Stevens? 6. I don't know Sarah's parents. Do you know them? The subject here is Sarah's parents. Parents, so that means we have to use the object pronoun them because of the word parents. And this is plural, right? So we use them. Do you know them? Do you know Sarah's parents? And number 7, I don't know the woman in the black coat. Do you know her? So here, the subject is the woman. I don't know the woman in the black coat. So that is why we use the object pronoun her, because the woman is a girl. So woman. So the object pronoun again for woman is her. Do you know her? Do you know the woman in the black coat? There. So I hope you got everything correctly. Now let's move on to exercise 59.2. Here we have to complete the sentences and we have to use I, me, you, she, her, and the other subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let's have the first example. I want to see her, but she doesn't want to see me. So first we have I. This is the subject pronoun. I want to see her. So I'm talking about myself, right? But here, she doesn't want to see me. So again, it's myself. So we use the object pronoun me. And this one, her, I'm talking about somebody. Her, she's a girl. So this is the subject pronoun, or the object pronoun I mean, and then she here is the subject pronoun. So again, this is talking about that somebody, that woman, that girl, but she doesn't want to see me. There. So that's what we have to do in this exercise. You can pause the video now, and then I'll show you the answers later. Are you ready? Here are the answers. For number 2, we have they want to see me, but I don't want to see them. So here, I is for the subject, is the subject pronoun for the object pronoun me, and then them is the object pronoun for the subject pronoun they. 3, she want to see him, but he doesn't want to see her. So he is the subject pronoun for him, and then her is the object pronoun for she. 4, we want to see them, but they don't want to see us. So here, they is the subject pronoun for them, and then us is the object pronoun for we. 5, he want to see us, but we don't want to see him. We is the subject pronoun for us, and then him is the object pronoun for he. 6, they want to see her, but she doesn't want to see them. She is the subject pronoun for her, and then them is the object pronoun for they. 7, I want to see them, but they don't want to see me. They is the subject pronoun for them, and then me is the object pronoun for I. And the last one, number 8, you want to see her, but she doesn't want to see you. She is the subject pronoun for her, and then you is also the object pronoun for you. There. So I hope you got everything correctly, and of course, you have to memorize the subject pronouns and the object pronouns, okay? So if you want to learn more about these, you can study with us here in Cambridge.com. This is Teacher Karen saying thank you for listening, and goodbye.